Meaning of demographically.
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 Demographically. The term demographically refers to characteristics related to a particular population, such as age, gender, education level, income, and ethnicity. Demographic data is commonly used to understand and analyze the social and economic patterns of different groups of people. By examining demographic trends and changes over time, policymakers, business analysts, and social scientists can gain insights into various aspects of human behavior, including consumption habits, political preferences, and health outcomes. In short, demography provides a valuable lens through which to view and interpret the complexities of modern society.